Alright, this is the transfer case from my ML350. It's an 04, so it makes it a W163. And that sound is coming from the differential here inside the transmission. So we're gonna try to rectify that by welding up some gears here and making it a two-wheel drive version. Alright, here we go. Man, we got to take this apart and get everything apart before we start welding. Alright, here's my transfer differential. Is not going to be differentiating anymore. And then I've got the back cover cleaned up, the surfaces to put it back together. I'm going to clean everything up before I put it back together, but so the gasket surface is nice and clean. I got to do under the vehicle yet, and then we're pretty close to putting it together. Alright, so we're having fun, and we're definitely doing two-wheel conversion. Play with it and see if it's a little better now. Once it cools down. Alright, we'll be back.